landed with Central Texas Harley. You might recognize this bike. This started off as our red and gold bike. Customer came in and purchased it, decided he liked the blue against the gold a little bit better, so we made that swap for him. Same time, he wanted to kick it up a little bit, so we're going with S&S 475 cams, adjustable push rods, and a Vance and Hines exhaust. So if you like the looks of this, if you want something built specifically for you, feel free to give us a call, 512-652-1200, and we'd be happy to talk to you about building one just for you. Thanks very much. That's kind of bad.